Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this brand new Volkswagen Polo Match that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the modernised Ascot Grey paintwork. It does house a 1-litre TSI engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade or as a first car. Top features do include your front and rear parking sensors for those awkward manoeuvres, LED daytime running headlights, and for added protection, your power folding wing mirrors, and sitting on stylish 16-inch alloy wheels. The boot offers plenty of space for all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your central touch display and again your cloth trim for further comfort. For seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, audio, and even your travel assist and adaptive cruise control. Moving across, you do have access to your variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained, and of course your app Connect to stay connected on the go. Alongside your on-screen driving data, you do have the activation of your sensors and camera to easily guide you into those tricky parking spots. This is followed just below by your main climate controls, alongside the convenience of a wireless charging pad. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.